Today I want to unbox small package from eBay that I've purchased lately, and they are shoes, sheepskin boots that might be like dupes for UGG Australia. So if you can't afford expensive boots, then you can buy dupes like Kirkland Uggs, and I've got in package like so. They are even without box. So boots looks like this. It looks like this, and when you put up, it looks like this. I bought them as new, but I can tell they were worn once or twice. Too bad. So that is disappointing. A seller said it will be new, and this is already like maybe worn once. But other than that, they are nice. They're made from sheepskin leather, and this model is cute. It's two buckles, one and another one. You can regulate the size of it. If you wouldn't like these buckles, you could actually cut them off, and then you have like, because it's not attached, just cut here, and then you have just here some sign. This can be kept in here, and then they will be like normal, almost like classic Uggs. This part is made from sheepskin, and this is also real sheepskin. As you can see, they are really nice and thick, and this coming out from the skin, so it is not Ugg pure like in Uggs Australia. They shave a little bit of sheep, and then that wool they mixed with other fibers, and from that they create something like fur, but I think it's mixed with synthetic, so it's not really fully sheepskin wool. And here it is, and these shoes are going for 20 bucks, and they are made from real wool. Here is another one, and it looks like this, and inside it has, here it has the thing like this. I've got very size woman 10. They might run small, but I can tell they are really warm. I really like them. And here is the back, here is the bottom. The only one thing is that the bottom is little not so flexible. As you can see, it's not much flexible, so this part is worse than in real Uggs. But when it comes to this part higher, they are more good. This part also shred a little bit, but not much. But it's thick and really natural. Yeah, I can try them on. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you would like to see my future unboxings of Australia original shoes, then keep watching my videos and subscribe and give thumbs up for this one. Thank you for watching.